Hello students, today we will study adjectives. Now what is an adjective? An adjective describes, identifies or quantifies a noun or pronoun. Now adjective tells, it shows, it explains and even it measures in a quantity of noun or pronoun. Now, adjective describes, it explains noun or pronoun. It explains noun or pronoun means describe means it explains noun or pronoun by giving some information. By giving some information regarding person or an object. So adjective what adjective does? It describes, it explains noun or pronoun by giving some information, by giving knowledge about or information about person or an object. Now in object it can be its of its size, shape, age, color, origin or material. Now here we can see few examples. Irfan is a hardworking student. Now, the word hardworking is highlighted here and it is describing about or it is giving information about the noun that is Irfan. Irfan is a hardworking student. It is telling about, it is giving information about Irfan. Okay, now it's a windy day. Now, windy, it's telling, it's describing about the pronoun it's. Now, it's a windy day. It is describing about the pronoun. Like, for example, we say today is a windy day. It is describing about that today is a windy day. Okay, so it is a windy day. Means it is describing about, it is giving information regarding the day that it's a windy day. Now, that is an old table. Now, that it is referring something that we refer something little far away. Okay, that is pronoun. So that is an old table, and old is referring to something that is old, that is stable. Okay, now it is describing about the pronoun that is old table. Okay, old, it is describing about the thing old. Now he wanted to sit on wooden chair. Now wooden is also giving information about the pronoun he. He wanted to sit on a wooden chair. Okay, so wooden is describing or giving information about the pronoun he. Now let's see the kinds of adjective. Now adjective can be of different type depending on the type of information they give about about a noun or pronoun. Now adjective can be of a different type depending on a type of information. Means it is basically depending on a type of information they give about a person, either person or object, either you can say pronoun or noun. Okay, so it is basically depending about the type of information they give about noun or pronoun. So first we see adjective of quality. Now adjective of quality describe the quality of noun. Now it is describing the quality of noun. Like quality can be its shape, size, color, state or condition. Okay, they answer the question of what kind. Right, it answers the question of what kind of. Right, what kind of. So basically it describes the quality of noun, like its shape, size, color and condition. Now a few examples you see, students. Neeta does not like the smell of ripe jackfruit. Okay, so here the adjective of quality, it is describing about the noun, like Neeta does not like the smell of jackfruit. Neeta does not like the smell of ripe jackfruit. It is telling about the quality of noun ripe jackfruit. Okay, it is adjective of quality, means it is ripe is adjective of quality. It is describing the quality of noun, the quality of noun. Jackfruit, ripe jackfruit. Okay, what kind of? Ripe jackfruit. Now it is answering the question what kind of? The ripe jackfruit. The boy wearing blue jacket is my brother. Now it is describing the quality of noun. The boy wearing blue jacket. What? The boy wearing blue jacket. The boy wearing blue jacket is my brother. Okay, we are describing the quality of noun. Blue jacket. Okay, blue jacket, ripe jackfruit. Okay, draw a big circle. Okay, big is telling about the size. Here we have learned that the quality of noun, either it can be shape, size, color, state or condition. Here it was also ripe was condition, in a ripe condition, or in right, in a ripe, it was ripe. Now blue was color. Here it is also big. Big is shape, right? Now the cookie are in the round box. It is shape. Which box? What kind of box? Now it is minded. Students, please keep in mind, see, it is answering the question of what kind of box. Round box. The round is telling the quality, like quality, shape of box, round box, not the square one. Okay, so it is describing what the quality of box, round box. Now adjective of quantity. Now adjective of quantity specify the quality of the noun being talked about. Now it is talking about the specific quantity of noun. Now here in adjective quantity we talk about the specific quantity of noun being talked about. They answered the question how many. Now they are talking about not any kind of quantity, specific quantity of noun. That's why they answer the question how many. Okay, how many in the case of countable noun and how much in the case of uncountable noun. So keep in mind, students, how many in countable and how much in uncountable. Now see example. I have many friends. Many you can count. Okay, there is enough food for everyone. It is uncountable. So it is answering the question how much, enough. Here is saying how many. How many means countable. Now there are several students. How many students? Several. She has little money. How much money? Little money. Okay. So it is telling the specific quantity of noun. Okay, students? Students, let's see what is demonstrative adjective. Now, demonstrative adjective are used to point out specific noun or pronoun. It is used to point out some specific noun and pronoun. The four demonstrative adjective are this, that, these and those. So here are four demonstrative adjective and they are this, that, these, those. Now, those bananas are ripe while these ones are raw. Okay, so we are, it is, so we see here four demonstrative adjective, this, that, these, those. So we, when something which is far away, we say those. And when something is near, we see these. So those bananas are ripe while these are raw. That question has a simple answer that is also referring to demonstrative adjective. That question. Okay, and now this argument is convincing. When you are something arguing, so we say this argument is convincing. So these are some 4 demonstrative adjective. Now this and that is used for singular noun, while these and those are used for the plural noun. Okay, now let's see interrogative adjective. Now interrogative adjective are used to ask questions and are always followed by a noun. Okay, they are used to ask questions and they always they always followed by a noun. Like, which topic are you going to talk about? Now which is interrogative, asking question which topic, and it is followed by noun. Topic is a noun, paper is a noun. Okay, now whose paper are you checking? Okay, interrogate, asking the question whose paper, so it is interrogative. What problem are you facing? Okay, what problem are you facing? So what accompanied with, followed with noun, problem. Okay, students. Now, possessive adjective. Now, possessive adjective indicates ownership. Means possessive adjective indicates ownership. Means you are owing something. For example, this pencil is mine. Means I am the owner of this pencil. Or possession. You can say the ownership or the possession. Means I am possessing this pencil. This is mine. So it indicates ownership or possession and always come before the noun. So it shows ownership or possession and always come before noun. Okay, it always come before noun. They answer the question whose. Okay, now see example. Their children. Their means it is possessing their children. So it is coming before noun. Children is a noun. Their children lives in USA. It is showing possession there. Her son. Before noun we are putting possessive adjective. Her son. Her. My. Possession. Her. My. These are possession. Possessive adjective shows, again I am telling, possessive adjective shows ownership or a possession. Okay, and they answer question whose. Like whose son is studying in Chennai? Her son. Okay, whose parents are arriving today? My. Okay, their, her, my. They are showing the possessive adjective. Okay, they are showing possessive adjective and they are coming before the noun. Okay, now adjective of number. Now adjective of number indicate the number of noun. Okay, they indicate the number of noun. There are also 4 type. Indefinite, distributive, cardinal and ordinal. Okay students, now there are four type. Indefinite, distributive, cardinal and ordinal. Now indefinite adjective don't specify a particular. Indefinite itself is telling do not specify. It's not pointing out. It is not specifying any particular number. Okay, we are not pinpointing out. Okay, we are not specifying any particular number. Like some people, it is not defining or it is not pointing out any particular thing. Like some, it is not definite. Okay, it is not definite, means indefinite. Some people like red more than black. Give me any pen. We say no, please give me pen. So someone say which color? You say any pen. Any means it's not definite, indefinite. Now next is distributive. Distributive adjective, they are used to refer a person or a thing separately. Now Distributive means we used to refer a person. Either we used to refer to the person or a thing separately, not together, separatively. Okay, like each students. So we are referring to means each students means separately. Each of you will do homework. Okay, separately. Neither of them means not a single person in this. Every boy means it is referring to the person separately. Every boy in the room wants to have ice cream. Every boy means single child. Okay, now cardinal numbers mention the exact number of noun. Now cardinal numbers mention exact number of noun. Okay, so remember it. Cardinal numbers mention the exact number of noun. For example, you see, I call you 3 times. Okay, now if I say many times, so it is indefinite. But if you want to make the things definite, you mention with the cardinal numbers. Like I called you 3 times. So cardinal numbers tell exact numbers of noun. 3, 20, 15. I have 15 bananas. Okay, do you have 20 pens? Or I have 4 copies. I have 10 scales. Okay, so these are telling exact number of noun. There are 4 boys in the classroom. So it is telling exact number. Now ordinal numbers mention rank, position or order of noun in series. Now, so the ordinal numbers, they mention rank. Like as you students come in the class, like first rank, second rank, first position, second position, third position. Okay, see, Rahul is the first boy to reach school. He is the first boy means it is telling about the rank, means he came first when he was the first boy when he reached the school. Okay, now this is the third time. Now this is the third time I'm calling you. The third time it is telling about the rank, means 3 times I called you, the third time you didn't pick up, so 3 times continuously I called you. So here ordinal number tells about the rank and position. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, it is telling about the first. He was the first boy to reach the school. I called you third time, means third time. This was the third time I'm calling you, so it mentions the rank and position. Now proper adjective. Now proper adjective are formed from proper noun. Okay, so proper adjective are formed from the proper noun. Like I love Shakespearean dramas, so it is being formed by proper noun. Okay, so proper adjective, they are always formed by proper noun. Like Shakespeare, you have heard, right? So from the word Shakespeare, it has become Shakespearean dramas. So the people who love the Shakespeare dramas, so they will be called as it will be said as he or she loved Shakespearean dramas, or I love Shakespearean dramas. There are many Indian. From India, the word has become Indian. So these are formed by the proper noun. Indian restaurants in Manchester. So there are Indian. From the word India, it has been formed Indian. Okay, my uncle married an Irish woman. Okay, from Ireland. She live in Ireland, so that's why the woman was Irish. It will be called as the Irish woman. Okay, the Irish. Okay, my uncle married an Irish woman. Now, next one, emphasizing adjectives. Now, emphasizing adjectives are used to lay stress, means pressure, means stress on noun. Okay, so emphasizing adjectives are used to lay stress or used to put pressure on noun. Now see example. You are the very person. Now very is putting stress on on a noun. Okay, you are the very person I'm looking for. The very is putting stress on noun. Okay, very person. Mind your own business means it is putting stress on a noun. Own business. Is that your actual name? We say no. Is that your, what's your name? My name is this. So sometimes the people say no. If we hear something weird kind of name, so we ask, is that your actual name? Actual is laying stress on the noun. Okay, actual name. Very person, own business, actual name. Okay, so these emphasizing adjective used to lay stress on used to lay stress or put pressure on a noun. As you can see over here, very person, you are the very person. So it is telling about you are the very person, means you are the person which I was eagerly looking for. So you are a very person. Mind your own business. Own business. Is that your actual name? Means is that your true name? True means is particularly laying stress. Okay. Thank you, students.